Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Crimson Desert GPU crash or fatal D3D error on your PC. First, open the game settings and go to the graphics section. Find the ray reconstruction option and turn it off. Many players report that this setting causes crashes, and disabling it can fix the issue quickly. Next, still in the graphics settings, disable frame generation and any upscaling options like DLSS or FSR. These features can sometimes become unstable after updates. Turning them off helps the game run more consistently. You can turn them back on later after the game becomes stable. Now, we will reinstall your graphics drivers. Download Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as DDU. Close all background applications, including browsers and game clients, and then run DDU to remove your current GPU drivers completely. After that, restart your PC and install the latest game-ready drivers from your GPU manufacturer. This removes any corrupted driver files that may be causing the crash. Finally, open Steam and go to your game library. Right-click on the game, select Properties, then go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan and fix any missing or damaged game files. After completing these steps, launch the game again and check if the crash is fixed. Thanks for watching.